Hi, in this video lesson we are going to learn about the LCDs, how to connect it and program it in Flowcode. We'll write the string and then we'll see how to scroll the sentences across the string. So let's start. So from the components library we'll select the display LCD generic display 16 into 2. It's a 16 columns and 2 rows. That's why it is called 16 into 2. So we'll use the component macros to program it. This icon is for the components. Once you press this icon, you will see all the devices which are into the panel. Their component commands will be displayed. So to start with, we'll start the start command. The start command will clear the screen and reset the LCD. The next is we need to put in cursor. Cursor is where the you are going to write at what position. It is defined in X and Y. So X, Y means which line. Top line is 0 and second line is 1. So we are going to write to top line 0 and X is the column. So we are going to start from the 0 column, that is the first column. Okay, so we are going to print a string and we're going to write the expression welcome in the first line. Note the inverted commas. The string must be enclosed in the inverted commas. Then we are going to put the cursor in the second line. So the second line and the beginning of the second line, X is 0, Y is 1. They are close to the second line. Then again we are going to print a string and we write to the purpose college. Okay, and we run the program. Let's see what it displays. Welcome to the Toppers College. College is not being displayed because the line is sentence is large and the line is small. Therefore, we need to scroll it. For scrolling, we will need a loop. Put in a loop, and then we put in scroll command, scroll display, and we also put it in scroll command. We need to define position. Position means how many uh, boxes, it should jump. So I say one box and it should jump towards the right, should move towards the right. So 1 and 1 means if it is 0, then it is going to move in the left direction, 1 it's going to move in the right direction. However, it's going to be too fast, so I put in a delay so that we can see it. I put in a delay of 1 to 5 milliseconds. 1 to 5 milliseconds. Okay, so now let's run it. So you can see how to program an LCD in Flowcode. So we have learned about the cursor command, the print string command, and the scroll command. These are the commands which you would need. Print number is as good as print string. Anything with the print, you can print it. But the cursor command, you need to know where you want to print it. Okay, and that's all for today's lesson.